In this video, we will learn about motion. So, what do you observe when you go out? So, we see many objects moving around us, right? We'll be finding cars, buses, trucks, bicycles moving on the road. And if we see them moving on the road, means all those objects are changing their position with time. So, whenever any object changes its position with time, it is said to be in motion, means the object is moving. And an object that is not changing its position, means the object that is present at a fixed position with time, it is said to be at rest. Then the objects, they can have slow or fast motion. For example, the motion of a snail is slow as compared to a moving ant. So to know how fast or slow the motion of an object is, what we have to do is we need to actually measure the distance traveled with respect to time. That is the distance traveled by the object and the time taken to travel that particular distance. So in that case, we can tell how fast or slow the object is moving. So we can say that rest and motion are the states of any object. So if you look around, you will find different objects in different states. The objects will be either at rest or in motion. For example, we have so many things around us: house, furniture in the house, schools, trees, electric poles, post offices, railway stations, etc. If we observe all these things are not moving. So if these things are not moving, means they are at rest. But if we talk about people walking on a road, moving vehicles, flying birds, falling raindrops, crawling insects, rustling leaves, they are all in the state of motion, means these all things are moving. So from here we can define something as in motion, means an object is said to be in motion if its position changes with respect to the reference point with time, and if an object not changing its position with respect to the reference point, then it is said to be at rest. So one more thing we should know, that rest and motion are relative terms. Relative terms means for defining the terms rest and motion, we need some surroundings or we need some reference object. For example, an object may be at rest with respect to one reference point, but it will be in motion with respect to another. A very good example is, let's say if we are in a moving train. So you are sitting in a moving train. So if you compare your state in relation to other passenger, let's say your friend is sitting in front of you. So your friend is in rest state, means he is not moving, so he is at rest in reference to you. And if I talk about your friend in reference to someone standing outside the train, so that will be in motion. Or you can say that in relation to the objects that are outside the moving train, like trees, road, river, you people are in motion. So that is the difference. So we can say that rest and motion are relative terms. And mostly we consider the motion of the objects with respect to the earth, like your house is at rest with respect to the earth, but the earth is continuously moving around the sun. It means that your house is also in motion along with the earth around the sun. So we can understand from here that rest and motion are relative terms. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.